Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the impeller and seal kit components in your dishwasher, we recommend uninstalling the appliance first for better access. To do this, turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to remove the screws securing the lower access panel or panels, and remove them. Use a 5/8-inch wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a 5/16-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the strain relief nut and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Tip the dishwasher back so it rests on its rear panel. Disconnect the wire harnesses from the motor and the solenoid. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to loosen the clamps securing the chamber hose to the pump. Then detach the hose. Do the same to detach the upper spray tube from the pump. Use a 5/16-inch socket or nut driver to remove the screws securing the support rod. Loosen the clamps to release the pump and motor assembly from the dishwasher. Now use an adjustable wrench to secure the motor shaft and needle nose pliers to remove the impeller cutting blade by rotating it counterclockwise. Next, use a putty knife to loosen the inlet screen by rotating it clockwise. Then unthread it. Remove the wear ring retainer and the ring itself. Secure the motor shaft and use the needle nose pliers to loosen the impeller by rotating it counterclockwise. Then remove it. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the pump housing. Pull off the housing and remove the old seal. You're now ready to install the new impeller and seal kit components. Use some liquid dish soap or rinse aid to lubricate the new seal. Then insert the seal securely into the pump housing. Reposition the motor by inserting the shaft into the housing, making sure the capacitor is on the opposite side of the solenoid. Secure the motor with the mounting screws. Secure the shaft as you thread the new impeller into place. Position the new wear ring and retainer, making sure the retainer tabs align with the notches in the ring. Thread the new inlet screen counterclockwise. Secure the shaft as you thread the new cutting blade. Now reinstall the pump and motor assembly by inserting the inlet port into the sump as you align the outlet port with the pump connector. Tighten the clamps to secure. Position the support rod and secure it with the screw. Reattach the chamber hose and the upper spray tube to the appropriate ports on the pump. Then tighten the clamps. Reconnect the wire harnesses to the terminals on the motor and the solenoid. Return the dishwasher to its upright position. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box and secure the strain relief nut. Connect the wires using the wire nuts. Align the cover and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve. Reposition the lower access panel or panels and replace the screws to secure. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.